The lecture on Serviceology will start. Today's theme is usability. So, let's get started. What is usability? Simply put, it is a metric that measures how satisfied and efficient a specific user is when using a product for a specific purpose. Users sometimes receive services through the operation of a product. High usability of a product reduces stress and improves service quality, or at least prevents it from degrading it. Conversely, if usability is low, service quality declines. Therefore, usability can be considered a type of must-be quality. There are two well-known definitions of usability. The first is the one defined in ISO 9241:11. This refers to the extent to which a product can be used by specified users to achieve specified goals with effectiveness, efficiency, and satisfaction in a specified context of use. The word usability also refers to methods for improving ease of use during the design process. The second is proposed by Professor Jakob Nielsen. It outlines 5 quality components and 10 usability heuristics. The former are definitions and serve as benchmarks to strive for, while the latter are methods and function as an evaluation checklist. Here, we will explain the concepts defined by Professor Nielsen. Professor Nielsen identifies the following 5 elements as components of usability. A detailed explanation is not provided here. Please refer to the web page linked below. The URL is provided in the description box. Professor Nielsen presented the 10 usability heuristics as fundamental guidelines for user interface design. For a detailed explanation, please refer to the web page below. Alternatively, please refer to the URL in the description box. From here, let's consider what constitutes good usability, based on Professor Nielsen's usability, through specific products. First, let's look at a showerhead. As shown in this video, the water flow can be easily changed with one hand. We consider this from the perspective of the 5 quality components: learnability, easy operation, intuitive controls, efficiency, get the water flow you want with just one click, memorability, button placement is shaped to fit the contours of your fingers, errors, easily correct water flow errors, satisfaction, choose from multiple water flow options. Next, let's look at Google Search. Learnability, simple input box with no distractions. Efficiency, instant results, autocomplete, and smart snippets. Memorability, users remember how to refine queries easily. Errors, did you mean, suggestions and fallback results. Satisfaction, universally praised for speed and relevance. Next, let's look at Duolingo. Duolingo produces learning apps and provides language certification. The perspective of the 5 quality components are following: learnability, onboarding with simple lessons and visual cues. Efficiency, short, focused exercises. Memorability, repetition and spaced learning reinforce memory. Errors, immediate feedback and retry options. Satisfaction, fun, gamified experience keeps users engaged. Next, let's look at Nintendo Switch, which is a video game console developed by Nintendo and released worldwide. Its usability is evaluated as following: learnability, plug-and-play setup, intuitive controls. Efficiency, quick game access and sleep mode. Memorability, Physical buttons and UI consistency aid recall. Errors. Clear error messages and easy resets. Satisfaction. Enjoyable for all ages, praised for accessibility. Discussion. To give a familiar example, appliances that you can't use without reading the instruction manual have low usability, while apps that you can use intuitively by simply pressing a button have high usability. Please note that this discussion is about usability for general users with various skill levels. For professions requiring specialized skills, complex control panels and operating methods are necessary because they enable complex and precise movements. Examples include piloting airplanes and building equipment. However, to improve the usability of such advanced operations, ergonomic design principles are incorporated. Thank you for watching. This lecture ends here. Please watch for the next lecture. The URL for the next lecture is listed in the description box of the opening lecture, whose URL is in this description box. If you like this lecture, please subscribe to my channel.